Good morning students, it's our chemistry video class 10 part 9. In previous video we are discussing some chemical equation, how to balance it. I hope you understand. Next our topic is type, in which we cover first, which is combination reaction. In this video we will discuss all the types again. So first is combination. मैंने आपको बताया था कि कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन इन विच वन और टू मोर एलिमेंट्स, वन एंड टू मोर एलिमेंट्स when combined they form a single compound so called as combination reaction. Like A, it's a single compound or a single element, it's a single element, and when reacts with the B, which is also a single element, form a single compound which is AB. So it is a combination reaction. As an example of hydrochloride acid, which is a combination of hydrogen and chloride element. So when hydrogen reacts with chlorine, it's an element and form a single compound which is hydrogen chloride, and it's a balance equation. You can see like two molecules of hydrogen when react with two atoms of chlorine form 2HCl, so it's a balanced equation. And it's a combination reaction in which when one element react with another, so called form single compound called as combination reaction. Next is decomposition. Students, I already told you when we are talking about change in temperature, we discussed two types, endothermic and exothermic. And I already told you that all the decomposition reaction are held by endothermic. Endothermic, again I am repeating you, is that heat which is absorbed during the reaction for breaking up into some compounds in decomposition. But endothermic is what? It is the absorbed heat during the reaction. Okay. So what is decomposition? When a compound like AB splits up into two or more substance or elements, so called as decomposition. Decomposition means किसी एक चीज का, किसी एक कंपाउंड का ब्रेकअप इनटू वन और टू एलिमेंट्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ हीट इज, एंड सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शंस, because they absorb heat, then they spill up into one or two compounds like AB spills up into A plus B. Like example, calcium carbonate, when it absorb heat, absorption of heat is shown by a delta. When they absorb heat, they will decompose into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide is what? It's a lime water or a quicklime, common name. So it is a decomposition reaction. Again I am repeating you, when a compound which is AB spills up into two or more elements, so called as decomposition. One compound spills up into A and B, decomposition. For splitting up into two or more, it needs heat which is endothermic. Okay. Next, students, decomposition reaction are of three types, which is thermal decomposition, electrolytic and photochemical. In general, thermal means heat. Decomposition occurs with the help of heat, so called as thermal. Electrolytic, electro means current. Decomposition with the help of current, so called as electrolytic reaction. Next, photochemical. Photo means light, so the decomposition with the help of light, so called as decomposition reaction. They are subdivided into three types. Again student, I am repeating to you, thermal means heat. So decomposition with the help of heat, so called as decomposition reaction. Next, electrolyte, decomposition with the help of current in one or two substance, so called as electrolyte decomposition. Next, photochemical, with the help, photo means light, with decomposition with the help of light, so called as decomposition reaction. Photochemical decomposition reaction. First, thermal. We will study with some reaction. Thermal means heat. I have already write down. Those reaction which require heat, it's known as thermal decomposition reaction. वो रिएक्शन जिसमें हीट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है फॉर डिकम्पोज मीन्स स्पिल्ड अप इनटू वन और टू, एक या दो एलिमेंट या कंपाउंड में टूटना विद द हेल्प ऑफ हीट, सो कॉल्ड एज थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, पोटेशियम क्लोरेट 2KClO3, when it take heat, it decompose into potassium chloride and oxygen. Student, it is very important reaction because this reaction is used in the production of oxygen in the laboratory. From this reaction the oxygen is prepared. क्योंकि अभी हमने जितनी भी reaction पढ़ी, we saw the evolvement of hydrogen gas, but in this reaction the oxygen is liberated, and oxygen is very essential for us because we breathe oxygen. So this reaction is used in the laboratory as purpose for oxygen production. Okay, so what is thermal decomposition? उन reactions में जिसमें कि heat की requirement होती है, through which the reaction proceed with the heat and decompose into two or more substance, so called as thermal. And example like potassium chlorate, which require heat and decompose, you can see here. Next is photochemical. Photo means light. आपने 7th 8th standard में studied in 7th 8th standard that photosynthesis, in which photo means light, synthesis means production. It's just an example. Now photochemical, in which the decomposition proceed with the help of light. Light is what? Sunlight. So called as decomposition reaction. Example, silver chloride, which is a white in color. When it's a china dish, when I put silver chloride powder in the sunlight, it will converted into grey color, and silver and chloride will be decomposed, means it will split up into one or two. Silver chloride splits up into silver and chloride with the help of sunlight. मतलब एक चाइना डिश मीन्स अ ट्रे होती है, you can see in your laboratory, it's present. And if we put silver chloride powder which is in white color and put into sunlight, then through the sunlight they decompose will be split up into one or two and form silver and chloride, in which silver is in grey color. Next, electrolytic. Student, electrolytic reaction is very important as per exams. So what is electro means current, lysis means breakdown, what type किसका breakdown होता है? water molecules का. इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस हम किसकी करेंगे? water की. So the definition is breakdown of water molecule with the help of current. Breakdown of water molecule with the help of current, so called as electrolysis, or breakdown is a decomposition. That's why it is a part of decomposition reaction. Here is the electrolysis of water. मैंने आपको बताया था इलेक्ट्रो मीन्स करंट एंड लाइसिस मीन्स ब्रेकडाउन. मतलब means electrolysis, it's a breakdown of water with the help of current, and this is the whole procedure of electrolysis which we will cover in our next video. अभी सिर्फ मैंने आपको डेफिनेशन बताई है, इसका पूरा प्रोसेस हम अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे.